Okay, so in this video we will see how can we set up Redux in our React Native application. Okay, it will be quick. We have to install some library react-redux and Redux toolkit. Yeah, I will give that link in the description so you can run this command directly. And and uh, okay, and after that we have to we have to create a Redux folder. Inside that store.js and reducers and actions. This is a simple structure of a structure for Redux basically. Okay, then we have to configure a store for that. So basically I have a application which we can provide a simple code for that. Yeah, so there is a simple code. Yeah, this is like this. So the thing is we have to call our reducer like here. See, this is will be like this. We have to configure with the help of configure store and user reducer contain our particular that reducer use cases. So and also let me copy that user reducer function. Yeah, that reducer I am just copying out completely. Yeah, so here what's happening, there are some cases like get user register login and that so there will be some initial states of data like of variables also, data error handling, error, yeah, loading, and these cases will be dispatched through the actions. When these case hit through the action, the state will be updated like this, that the data will be updated, so we can access this throughout the app. And we have a user action. So inside that, yeah, see there is a thing. When we whenever we hit the retrieve user local with the help of dispatch, it dispatch that particular case, and with the help of that it payloads the JSON data inside the data. And how we can access that particular user. See, I am so I will show you. That's a part initial value is a me. So I am making one more variable. It's a me Saurabh Sahu. No, like not like that. Yeah, object me. It's a me. Yeah, Saurabh. So I can access this initial state throughout the app. Okay. Yeah, let me save this. And from the index file we have to call it like this, const store app. Okay, so you have to put inside the provider and store. So you have to call Redux store like this, and then you can call application, yeah, app like this, and then after you can pass it store app. Now you can run your application as well. Yeah, so if like if we want, then we want to access our reducer like this. So we can put here just like const my data, yeah, me data use selector. With the help of use selector variable, we can access their state as well. State dot user means the user is a our reducer. You can see you can see here, this is a user name which we initialize with the help of reducer. So I can access with the me. Yeah, let me console that me data. So that's how it happens. And I can print like that, it's a simple me data dot name. Okay, yeah. So see, it's a Sora app Sora, because we can access throughout this like many files. It's a initial state. Even we can change this step with the help of actions. Okay, so like if we hit a get user action, so it will change the data of that. And we can make that one action also, change my data. See here, yeah, see update me. Okay, so update me will update my data as well. up like next we have to make a one action for it. Let's copy it, or we can make it copy, or we can execute somewhere else. Let's make copy here. Let's make different file itself for also user.js. Okay, here we will make that our this thing. Okay, remove this. Yeah, so get user instead of update, I will call update me. Okay, update me, and I will send the data as the body. Okay, so it will update the body itself. Yeah, so okay, I will send the body and it will update the body, and the dispatch function name will be update the body. Okay, so the what thing will be happen here, we will call this with the help of dispatch. Let's make a dispatch variable here, use dispatch variable. Yeah, and make a use effect with the empty array dependency, which call when the life cycle of that file initialize first. So dispatch update the body. Inside the body I will write the name, I will change the name basically. So my name will be Hudda Pankaj Hudda now. Okay, and now what will happen, state has been changed now. Okay, so what will be the my name now? It sorry, me data, yeah, me data dot name. Yeah, so the my name is now it's Pankaj Hudda. So it's so simple to update the states and it. Inside that I am putting that body here. Like you can call the API inside that with the help of, because it's sync, it's a sync. So you can put the await here and call the API, and the pass date API data here payload, it will change the state of it. So it's so simple. And I will make a more videos on the redux and more efficient way to how to manage it. So I will make more it, so please follow, like please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.